Welcome to Single Cell Laboratory. SeekOne DD System. Take out the chip holder. Add cell suspension and proper reagents into the chip holes. Put the chip holder back to the instrument. Now, with one click, you can start to run the experiment. The instrument will take just 4.5 minutes to finish the process. During the waiting period, you can chat with friends for a while. But don't leave as it will finish shortly. Next, library construction will be performed based on PCR enrichment. Finally, we will get a scDNA library ready for sequencing.